Hello, good morning everybody. I am Shinde SA, Assistant Teacher of Santosh Bhai Mehta English Medium School. Hello children, today's special day for everyone. First, there is Makar Sankranti festival and second, we celebrate on school level as a National Geography Day. So now I am going to tell you some information regarding National Geography Day. Okay? So listen carefully. मकर संक्रांति और उत्तरायण और माघ दिवस or simply Sankranti. Known in Bangladesh and West Bengal as a Paush Sankranti and in Nepal as Maghe Sankranti. Sankranti means sun and Kranti here means transfer. This day is considered as the transitions day of sun into the Capricorn. Now the sun moves northwards in the Hindu calendar dedicated to the Daitya Surya. Many native festivals are organized all over India. It is observed each year the sun enters the Capricorn zodiac, which corresponds with the month of January. It marks the first day of the sun transits into Makar Rashi. Okay, did you understand, students? Okay, so see, student, today we will see some geographical specialities in our Dapoli. So let's see. First we will see Kershi is there sand dune. Okay, so look carefully. Okay, see, sand dune is the world's oldest sand dune that was formed as a result of tsunamis in the Arabian Sea in the year 1524. The sand dune is formed in a small village known as Kershi, located in the Dapoli Taluka of Ratnagiri district, Maharashtra, India. Okay. Then second say, student, what water springs? Look at this. See, look. Water Springs is located at village of Unnavre in Dapoli Taluka. This village is based at 35 kilometers away from the city of Dapoli. Because this pool is perennial, there is hot water here all around the year. The water level remains constant during winters and monsoon as well. Even the temperature of the water never changes. Temperature of its water is 70 degrees Celsius. These waters contain a mixture of sulfur and carbon dioxide. As the amount of sulfur is higher, these waters can cure skin diseases and are a perfect solutions for stress. Yes, did you understand, student? Okay, the next is this is a nature beauty. This is Anjarle. Anjarle also has a clean, unspoiled beach with white sand and surrounded by palms and trees. Look at this. This is white sand. Yes, and this is palm and trees. This palm beach is an ideal place to visit on a long weekend. Okay, so next is, see student, thicket of mangroves. Mangroves is a shrub or tree that grows in coastal saline or brackish water. The term is also used for tropical coastal vegetations consisting of such species. For example, our side at the beaches, there is mangrove trees. Okay. Next is, see, nature beauties and very interested. See, Keshavraj. This place, Keshavraj, natural spring. A natural spring originating at the hilltop and flows down. Look at this. Flows down to the front of the temple, supplying water to the stone curved cow mouth. This is, say, cow mouth, and called this Gomukh. All the year long, this water is considered to be holy. Look at this. Very interesting, students. And this water is considered to be holy. Okay. Next, look at this. Plant fossils assemblage from Kangvai, Dapoli. In 2009, a team of scientists from the Agarkar Research Institute, means in short from that ARI, got a few sedimentary rock samples from a well in Kangvai, Dapoli in Ratnagiri. Here the found this plants, yes, plants assemblies. Okay, and place is Kangvai, Dapoli. Next is, student, typical laterite mines in Konkan. See, another specialties of Dapoli is widespread laterite mines. This type of rock, which is less hard than the basalt rock, is an inseparable part of the Konkan life. This type rock used for house building. Okay, student. So, like today we have seen some nature beauty, some geographical, some special places, and another thing is old temples. Yes, and here well flourish here tourism also. So tourists attracts here to see that places. Okay, so these are our Dapoli's all nature beauties. So student, today we have seen some things occasion of geographical day. So thank you.